Welcome to Grace Heads, your ultimate destination for everything automotive. We dive deep into the latest cars, bringing you in-depth reviews, detailed specs, and the most exciting features of today's hottest vehicles. Today, we're thrilled to explore the 2025 Camaro ZL1, a powerhouse that is redefining what it means to be a muscle car. The 2025 Camaro ZL1 boasts a staggering 750 horsepower, delivered by a supercharged V8 engine that promises exhilarating performance. With cutting-edge engineering and an upgraded design, this beast is built for speed and precision. It offers an advanced 10-speed automatic transmission, delivering seamless shifts that enhance acceleration and driving dynamics. For those who love a hands-on experience, there's a manual option as well, keeping the thrill of control alive. Chevrolet has taken the ZL1 to a new level with enhancements in aerodynamics, making it sleeker and more aggressive. The front fascia and grille are redesigned for better airflow, and the hood features heat extractors to improve cooling during intense driving sessions. The addition of adaptive suspension allows the ZL1 to handle corners effortlessly, balancing performance with everyday comfort. Step inside, and you're greeted with premium materials in the driver-focused cabin. The seats are bolstered for support during spirited driving, and the flat-bottom steering wheel adds a sporty touch. Chevrolet's infotainment system is upgraded with the larger touchscreen, offering seamless smartphone integration, navigation, and performance tracking. You'll also find a heads-up display to keep critical information in view while you focus on the road. Safety and tech features are not overlooked. The 2025 ZL1 includes advanced driver assistance systems like lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and blind spot monitoring, making it as safe as it is powerful. With multiple driving modes, you can customize the performance to suit your style, whether you're hitting the track or cruising through the city. The Camaro ZL1 is not just about raw power, it's a statement of precision engineering and design. It represents the pinnacle of Chevrolet's muscle car legacy, combining heritage with innovation. Whether you're a die-hard Camaro fan or a performance enthusiast, the 2025 ZL1 offers an experience that's hard to match. If you're as excited as we are about this incredible machine, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join Grace Heads for more content like this. We bring you the best reviews, features, and updates on the latest cars, so stay tuned and keep the adrenaline flowing.